Give me a T. T, you got your T, you got your T. Give me an I. I, you got your I, you got your I. Give me an M. M, you got your M, you got your M. Give me an E. It's time. Woo! My name is Dr. Erica Tate, and I am the founder of Blue Knowledge. And yes, it is time for the release of another Loravore Learning Resource. Loravore Learning is the learning brand for Blue Knowledge. It focuses on empowering educators in schools and communities to deliver effective instruction. For the past 7 months, we have been growing our collection of interactive Loravore learning resources to showcase our professional learning expertise, give you a taste of our delivery style, and to empower you to deliver effective digital instruction. This month, we continue our discussion around facilitating equitable and collaborative learning experiences with digital whiteboards. Through video and instructional examples, we demonstrate how digital tool selection and instructional design can enhance, even transform your learning community. Interact, learn, and share. In the time we have left, I shared 2 reasons why you must interact with our Loravore learning resources today. Reason number 1, time is of the essence. Our students need teachers and school leaders to continue sharpening their saws by adding practices and tools to their instructional toolkits. Our Loravore learning resources contribute to the ongoing professional learning educators deserve. And effective digital instruction will remain a necessary resource for advancing equity in schools even after this pandemic ends. And 2, if not now, then when? Anytime! Loravore learning resources are available on demand. Whether it's noon, midnight, grab your device and visit our website, www.blueknowledge.com, to interact with our growing set of Loravore learning resources and to empower yourself to deliver effective digital instruction. And the next time you have a minute, engage with us on social media, LinkedIn and Twitter, and subscribe to our newsletter for updates on Blue Knowledge and Loravore Learning. And finally, as you continue on your journey, accomplishing your goals and realizing your dreams, take a time out. Be resourceful, grow your expertise, and empower yourself and your effectiveness. Wishing you fun times this week. Love you. Thank you.